What's up guys, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Vic Studio here. In this video I want to show you how you can generate your calendar using CorelDRAW. So without any further ado, let's jump into my system while I show you this. So right now you are going to launch your CorelDRAW. My CorelDRAW is already launched, so I go over to my CorelDRAW. So this is the CorelDRAW environment where we'll be generating our calendar using this CorelDRAW. So you are going to pick up your rectangle so that you draw a perfect rectangle holding your shift key. Draw a perfect rectangle holding your shift key. So we will now have a rectangle like this. So I'm going to generate just the month of September calendar in this rectangle. So if you want all the months calendar, you can draw a bigger rectangle to contain this. Yes, you can draw a bigger rectangle, but for this, I'm going to generate first. There is only 1 month, which is the month of September in this rectangle. So what you do is just go over to your tools, make sure your rectangle is being clicked, go over to your tools, you go over to your macros, click on macros, then you see this run macro here. So you click on run macro, alright? So this pop-up have come up. So what you are going to do, you see macros in, you see where you can see VBA project and something like this. You click on this drop down arrow here. So once you click on this drop down arrow, you can see calendar wizard. So this is what we are going to do. You click on this calendar wizard and something like this will come up, and then you see where you see run, edit. So we're going to click on run. So you click on run here. So you can see what it is now saying. Say, do you want to place a calendar inside the Corel? Yes, we are going to click on yes. So it will come up like this. Now this is where you are going to choose your month, the month of the calendar you want on in that rectangle. So I'm going to click only September. Then I will unclick this January here. So you can type in the year. This is the year. You can change the year here. You can change it to 2022, 2023 years. You can change the year. But I only need September calendar in that rectangle. Maybe after generating this one, I'm going to do for the whole month. Let's see how it goes. So once I'm okay with this, I will click on generate. So I'll click on generate. So you wait for it. You can see finish generating the calendar. So once you click OK, you can exit this and you can see the calendar now in the rectangle we created. So you can just hold your shift to increase that a little bit to fit into your rectangle. So we now have the calendar for September. See all the dates. Yeah, you can see all the days of the week. Everything is okay. So let's generate for the whole month. Let's see. So I think let me draw something like this, a bigger rectangle. Click on your rectangle and then draw something like this. I think I should draw it. Okay. So I've drawn something like this. So I go over to my tools again, go over to your macros, and then you can see run macro, and then click on this VBA project, this drop down arrow here. You can see calendar wizard. Click on calendar wizard. You see run. Okay. Yes, so I want to place the calendar inside the correct rectangle. Say okay. So what you are going to do here, since we are going to do for all the months in 2023, so you are going to start clicking on them. So January, February, March, you click them. April, May, you click. So you click all of them, okay? So till December. So we now have something like this. So where you are going to do a little bit setting here will be I think, yes, this layout. You can see where layout is. So you click on the drop down menu here, this little arrow here, click on it. You can see month large plus too small. So anyone you can choose from here, anyone you think it will be alright for you. Okay, let's try this. You can see once I click that CA plus image, you can see what it is now. So I can bring up this. Okay, you can see the layout for this. So anyone you feel it's all right for you, you can just choose and then move on. You can see just January and then the rest of the month by the side. So anyone you feel is okay for you, that is fine. So I think I'll be choosing something like this. I'm okay with this, so I click on generate. So once I click on generate, it will notify me if it has finished generating. Alright, it has finished generating. I click on OK. I can exit this now. So I can select the whole calendar here right now just to increase to fit into the rectangle a bit. So I hold on my shift to increase. And maybe you want to type in any heading to this calendar. You can just draw this one down the rectangle. I don't know why it's taking a little bit some time, so okay. So if you want to type, just let me zoom so that we can see. If you want to type anything, maybe I can say 2023 calendar. So I now have something like this. I can just give it font and then I'll just drop something like this here. So you don't have to bother about the font size. It's very clear. Once it's being viewed very well, it's very clear. You can see what we are having right now. This is our 2023 calendar. So this is how to generate calendar using CorelDRAW. So if you find this video interesting, don't forget to leave a like on this video and share this video. It's Vike Studio signing out.